Hi everyone, I'm Veet from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and this is the online course that I've put together. It's called Cooking at Home with Veet. So you get to cook in my kitchen from your kitchen online, and we make lots and lots of things. It's all vegan, it's all whole foods. I show you how you can adapt the recipe, so if there is a particular ingredient you can't source, or there's a particular ingredient you don't like, then you can change the recipes around. We have knife skills, we have spices, spice mixes, and with the spice mixes we make things like moussaka and curries. We make those mixes from scratch. We focus a little bit on knife skills. Even if you have great knife skills, still come along, you might learn a tip, but there's a much more time is spent on making things like sprouts and fridge staples, so you've got always something in your fridge to make cooking easy. We've got salads, we've got an omelette, we have 4 different desserts, 3 different desserts, but you could easily make it a 4th one out of what we've made. It's very flexible. You can start with module 1, you can start with module 5, which is sweets. It's brilliant. I think it's brilliant. I wish it was around when I first became vegan. It will really help you, not if you want to become vegan, or if you are already vegan, or even if you have no intention of becoming vegan but you want to add more healthy food into your diet that is plant-based, then this course is really wonderful. Up until developing this course, I ran face-to-face courses and a vegan chef training, which I'm still going to be doing. I'll be doing that. It will be ongoing. But while travel restrictions haven't eased for most people, this is a way to get started. And you can, after you've done this, and if you haven't got any travel restrictions, you're in my state, in Australia, New South Wales, you can come up and do a face-to-face course anyway. But if you have travel restrictions, you can do this course now. In the meantime, there is not much crossover at all, if any, with the 3-day course. And if you're a budding chef in the wedding, we have a full vegan chef training. So check out the other pages on my website. And if none of that interests you, I do have a cookbook, but I hope some of this interests you, because it's brilliant to be cooking at this quality with this taste and learning how to really balance the flavors and do it easily. You've got to do this course. Come and join me. I can't wait to meet you. And there is an ongoing community, because there's a Facebook group, and you can always write comments on the modules, and I'll be there, or others who've done the course will be able to help you. So really can't wait to meet you. So look forward to it. Bye.